Hello everyone, Vanda here of Raw and Well. Today I am here to answer a question, and the question is, I have a food sensitivity. Can I still detox? So let's address that, and let's start. Why do we have this food sensitivity, right? And for me, the best way I could explain a food sensitivity is the body's being overburdened with toxins and overburdened with acids floating around and starting to eat away at the cells and the tissue around the cells, because it starts agglomerating and there's blockages and the lymphatic system can't flow properly through there to do its cleaning. And so we start accumulating a lot of these things that the body can't get rid of. And so these toxins start overburdening the body, and the body can no longer process some of these things. So it depends what the food sensitivity is, but in my experience with myself, that used to be allergic to pretty much almost everything, not a lot of foods, but yes, dairy, etc., right? And so this didn't just one day show up. It built up to that day when it does show up. And so when the body is overburdened, the lymphatic system is not flowing properly, and the body can no longer process some foods and some toxins, and it starts showing us and giving us warnings and letting us know you need to address some things, right? But instead, we depend on treating that symptom. So whatever's showing up, pain or the sensitivity to this food, whatever it is, right, that the body is trying to communicate to us with, right? And instead, we treat the symptom and we never look at the root cause. What created this food sensitivity, right? And so until we address that and we heal the body enough and we remove enough trash so the cells and the tissue around those cells can be regenerated, then a lot of these food sensitivities, allergies to the air, to animal dander, etc., will disappear as well, because those are just symptoms that the body is giving us those warnings, but instead we address the symptom and we don't heal the root cause of what created that symptom. So for me, when I cleaned myself up, I got rid of all my allergies. I am no longer allergic to anything. I still choose not to consume certain things like that dairy, for example, that I was allergic to. I would never consume that anyway, ever again. Why? Because that's what got me sick to begin with. And so we have to understand that we can't go back to the things that made us sick to begin with. We have to change our lifestyles during the journey of detoxification, adjust our lifestyles, and start to communicate to the body that we're going to continue this and be consistent on our journey and grow from our journey and embrace our journey in a way that we feel comfortable with. And once we detox our bodies, then we could, see that everything that we thought was impossible is possible, and things are regenerated and we become new again. And so I hope that helps. Don't worry about your food sensitivities. We'll work with that and we'll create a lifestyle during detox, and we'll build a strong body that will be able to function properly going forward and can be maintained in that way. With that, thank you so much for asking these questions so I can come on here and clear things up a little bit and take away some of your fears going into something new. And of course, you know, it's something new. We have to have a good mindset and embrace the journey and give our bodies permission to heal, and our bodies will heal. With that, much love to you. Bye for now.